Yes, you can create any type of image in any style using Nano Banana Pro. But it can do much more than that. It has now the power of Google Gemini and now it can do wonders. From saving your money on the online shopping to literally diagnosing your health. Here are top 5 Nano Banana Pro uses in real life that feels illegal to know. So let's start the video. Okay, so currently I am in Amazon website and want to buy this jacket, but I am not sure how it will look on me. I will just take a screenshot of it. I also want to try some more things like these sunglasses, these jeans and these shoes. And here is a photo of mine standing in bead billing paragliding takeoff site. And now we are in the Google Gemini website. Just upload all these photos in the prompt box and I will give this prompt. The first photo is mine and I want to try the things I uploaded. Please generate the photo while standing me on a snowy location of the first photo I uploaded and click submit. Okay, so Nano Banana Pro is now loading and here is the image it generated. Let's download and view it closely. Since it is a 4K quality image, we can easily zoom without losing quality. So these sunglasses are same that I take screenshot of in the Amazon website. Nano Banana Pro also rendered the same jacket, jeans and shoes as I take screenshot of in the Amazon website. There is also snow on my shoes and jeans like it is very real photo. Let's move to another example. So here is the image of my drawing room and I want to change the sofa. So we are again in the Amazon website and this time I want to try this sofa on my drawing room before buying it. Let's take a screenshot of it and I want to try these curtains and these flower pot. Let's have a screenshot and upload all these photos in the prompt box and let's give this prompt. First photo is of my drawing room. Replace curtain from photo 2, sofa and table from photo 3 and put flower pot from photo 2 on table and make photo in 16:9 ratio and hit the submit button. And within seconds here is the result. Let's click it. The orientation of my drawing room as in original photo is changed but the room is same, reimagined with the new accessories. So let's invite the special guests in this new drawing room. Wow, Nano Banana Pro is awesome, man. So literally you can try anything before buying online and it saves money and time. So here are two photos of a house from different angles that I saw on my way. Let's assume that you want to make such type of house and you are too shy to ask for the map or you are in a much hurry. So Nano Banana Pro will help you in this. Just provide him a couple of photos of that house and write in the prompt box that please make an architect like map for this house with the top view and the side view and hit submit button. And here is the architect like map of this house that you can give to your architect friend that I want this type of house. You can see it also perfectly designed the interior of the house, that where it should be the bathroom, the bedroom, the drawing room, the kitchen, the staircases, everything including the ground floor, first floor, roof line, everything it is designed very perfectly. Now only you have to do is the minor changes and some tweaks according to your need. So the Google Gemini and Nano Banana Pro can help you a lot in your studies. So in this first example, I just clicked a photo of a mathematical question and upload it in the prompt box and give also the prompt that solve this question and also draw a diagram of this question. And within seconds, it provides a step-by-step solution of this mathematical problem and also provide the answer diagram of this question. But do you know that it can turn the boring lessons into interesting comic strips for your children also? Like in this example, I am giving a prompt to make an engaging comic strip to understand photosynthesis process and within seconds, here is a photosynthesis process comics for your children that they will read with full interest and they will understand very easily. You can make comic strips for every chapter for your children to better understand the scientific process and the history and every subject you can imagine. Google Gemini is very efficient in the analyzing pictures and in this example, I uploaded a X-ray image of the wrist. Give the prompt that detect the problem area in this X-ray, circle it and write the diagnosis and within seconds, here is your diagnostic report. It correctly identifies the fracture in the wrist and red circle it and also write the diagnosis on the image. Surely you need the expert to do the X-ray of your wrist, but you can use the Google Gemini to fast your recovery process and to do the follow-up steps. You have just to upload the medical report and ask the Google Gemini for the follow-up processes, the recovery, the diet, the exercises, etc. and it suggests you the best recovery process. Like in this example, it tells you what to eat, what not to eat, what to to do the follow-up processes. So the Nano Banana Pro can be used for your medical assistance also. And in this next example, I clicked a photo of inside of my refrigerator and I will ask the Google Gemini to make something tasty from these ingredients without naming any of the ingredients. Nano Banana Pro is now very advanced and it can detect the ingredients correctly by analyzing the image, and you don't have to enter every ingredient. In the prompt box, I only enter that what can I cook with these, give the recipe, and it will give me list of the recipes that can be made with using these ingredients. You can see that it correctly identifies all the ingredients by just analyzing the photo. I didn't enter any of the ingredients in the prompt box. After getting the full recipe, I will use the Nano Banana Pro that what should be my final product will look like, so that I can compare with my final preparation. So here is the image of the dish, what it should look like, but it looks too much professional. I don't think my final product would look like this. Well, this is only for the example and I am not going to make this. Nano Banana Pro with Google Gemini can also be used for many other purposes, like analyzing and summarizing legal documents, help you to identify the problem in a machine by uploading a machine photo. Write in comments how you are using the Nano Banana Pro in your daily life. That's for today's video. Goodbye.